Hello everybody! I would like to discuss with you the next assignment about the moon. It will be a reading comprehension. In this first video, I'm just going to talk about the words that I think you might need a little bit of help with. So the first word is reflects, and that means that something is going to bounce off of it. The moon reflects light from the sun, therefore we can see it. Seeing something is also another word for appears. Because the moon reflects light, it appears in the sky. The next word is lunar, which is just another term for the moon. In relation just means that the phases or the stages of the moon depend on where the sun and earth are and its relationship to the moon. These are the phases of the moon. Next, facts about the moon. The diameter is basically a straight line from one side to the other. That is how thick it is. We can call that the diameter. Comets and asteroids are hunks of rock that are flying through the space and often hit planets like Earth and the moon. The atmosphere is a general term for gases that surround moons or planets. The Earth has an atmosphere with a lot of oxygen, but the moon also has an atmosphere with different types of gases. The word traces means that there is evidence or there are clues that mean that there used to be water on the moon. A mission is a task or something that has to be completed. And lastly, you are going to answer these questions, and then afterwards we will talk about the answers and the text together.